But if
Yep.
you really want to get down to the nitty gritty of how you're sleeping, a sleep lab is really the place to go. It's very uncomfortable. And maybe it's just my personality, but
Yeah.
I'm very pushy with my doctors, and we have to be our own advocates. We just truly do. Because, by the time you go through the rigmarole of being diagnosed with something, as far as I'm concerned, right, in this day and age, you could be dead. So you have to, and literally with sleep apnea, you could be dead. So you've got to be your own advocate. You've got to ask your doctor, talk to your doctor, open up the dialogue about it, talk about the sleep test, ask for an Epworth test, ask for the test, answer the questionnaire. It's online. I mean, everybody could Google anything on Dr. Google these days. Those tests are online. If you feel like you have sleep apnea, take a test online, take it to your doctor.